Alright guys, so this is my 1985 Pontiac Fiero Ferrari Koenig Edition replica kit car. It's based on an 85 Fiero GT, V6 motor, 4-speed manual. I pulled it out of the weeds a couple months back. I've been restoring the entire car, so if you're new to this channel, make sure to go back and check out my other videos. Today, I'm going to be ripping out these Fiero seats. I refinished all the interior, gutted all the interior, and painted all the floor and everything black, so it's ready for the new carpet. So let's go ahead, pull out the old seats, and install the new red ones. Alright guys, check this out. I got the seats installed, carpet back in. So let's fire up the car, pull it out of the carport, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the seats and the carpet. These seats are so comfy, guys. First time in the car with 2 red seats. Check that out. Check them in. I can hear the fuel pump kicking on. That's good. Let it prime up. No problem. Turn on the lights. Really cold out right now. It's almost 0 degrees out, so it's obviously idling really high right now. Once it warms up, it drops down to just below 2,000. Alright, we'll just let the car warm up now and see if the idle drops. Alright guys, check it out. Got the 2 red leather bucket seats, vinyl bucket seats. I don't know what they are exactly. They're cheap racing seats from eBay. I got the pair for 300 bucks, so that's a pretty damn good deal with sliders. So I went ahead, got the seats installed. I got the black carpet all clean back in the car, as well as the back panels back in the car all cleaned up. So that's looking good. So what I gotta do next is refurbish the doors. I'm gonna do some carbon fiber and black carpet on the lower half of them, and all the kick panels and the B-pillar panels, whatever you wanna call them back here. I'm gonna scuff them all down and reshoot them black. As well as the dash. Probably gonna go ahead and rip up the console, the dash, scuff it down, shoot it all black for now. And then in the future, I'll do some carbon fiber accents, and I'll do a dash pad, probably out of suede. And potentially for the center console, because these seats are so wide down here, the stock Fiero one is pretty nice. It fits pretty good, but I might do a slimmer console and do that in like a suede or an Alcantara as well. So yeah, pretty good progress on the car. The 2 seats are in, looking slick, fully adjustable. Let's see if I can show you that. Fully adjustable back and forth. So those brackets that I made worked out really, really well. So job well done. Seats look good. But check this out. I recently ordered a set of wheel spacers, 1.5 inch in thickness, just for the rear of the car. Before, the wheels were sitting in, and it looked kind of funny. You could tell it was a kit car, obviously, because the wheelbase wasn't correct. So I went ahead, I got some 1.5 inch wheel adapter spacers and bolted them on, and it looks way better in my opinion. So looking at it from the side, you can see how they line up flush with the body panels. Way better. You can't see the wheel spacers behind there either, which is kind of nice. On most kit cars, you can see through the spokes, you can see the wheel adapters, and you can tell that it's a kit car. But what do you guys think? Is that a lot better than sticking in? I think so. The car looks mega wide from the back end now too with those wheel spacers. It's gonna be a lot of red. Once the body of the car is painted Viper red, I think that's the color I'm going. And the red seats, it's a pretty close match. The car is gonna look pretty sick. Might as well give the interior a little wipe down. It's got a bunch of overspray on it right now. Oh yeah, baby. Looking good. I don't know, the dash actually might be all right. When they redid this car in the 90s, they built it into a show car. So they pretty much installed custom black carpets, painted all the panels black, black headliner, black visors. So they did a really good job on it. So maybe I just got to clean down the dash. Actually doesn't look that bad. There's no cracks in it or anything. I might just end up leaving it. I thought the dash was like gray or something. It was still covered in overspray from sanding down the car and working on it, that I thought the dash needed to be repainted, but after just giving it a quick wipe, it actually looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna leave it. What do you guys think? Comment below. Should I rip the dash out and refinish it? Or just leave it in and finish the door panel, center console, and just get the interior done so I can get the car into paint? Show you guys the passenger side real quick. Carpets in, nice and clean. Just got to give it a quick vacuum, but came out real nice. Smells amazing in here too. I think it was Turtle Wax, the carpet cleaner that I used. It worked really nice. Foamed up real good. You can scrub it around, pressure wash it, yada yada yada. Car smells great. Seats look amazing. Passenger side, super comfy too, actually. Reminds me of sitting in an old Corvette. You're kind of just like in a little bit of a cockpit. I grabbed the center console. It's the stock center console. I'm just gonna fit it in to see how it clears the seats. Maybe it'll work. Let's see how it feels in the car. Oh yeah, I'm leaving that. You got good storage back in here for all your paperwork and whatnot. Gonna leave this, do a gated shifter, carbon fiber towards the front end. Yes. All right, progress. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.